Nandyan ka pala. Hello everyone! My name is Princess Studio and here's my partner.
My name is Shady Ventura and we are Serenity Tech. And welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to discuss what is multimedia and ICT and its importance.
Without further ado, let's get started. What is multimedia? Multimedia refers to the integration of multiple forms of content, such as text, audio, images, video, and interactive elements into a single digital presentation. This form of communication enhances user engagement by providing an immersive experience as opposed to traditional media forms that offer limited interaction. The typical components of multimedia includes text, which is the written word used for conveying information, while images are the visual elements that enhance the aesthetic appeal and convey messages. Our next one is audio. It is a sound element that can aid in delivering the message effectively, creating ambience or providing narration. Our second to the last is video, which is the moving image that can illustrate concepts dynamically and engagingly. Our last one is the animation. It is a graphics that create the illusion of motion, often used for storytelling or explanatory purposes.
Now that we know what is multimedia, it's time to know what is ICT. ICT encompasses all technologies used for creating, processing, and sharing information. Examples of ICT are cell phone, laptop, tablets, and computers. Now that we know what is multimedia and ICT, let's know what is its importance. Princess, pasok!
Ang kahalagahan ng multimedia at information and communication technology o ICT ay sumasaklaw sa maraming larangan, kabilang ang edukasyon, negosyo, pakikipag-ugnayan sa lipunan at libangan. Bawat konsepto ay may malaking kontribusyon sa pagpapabuti ng komunikasyon, pagpapalawak ng kaalaman at pagpapasigla ng inobasyon sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay.
Hi! I am back! Ang multimedia at ICT ay malaki na ang kontribusyon sa atin sa ngayon. Ngunit, panatilihin natin na ito ay ating gagamitin sa mabuti at hindi sa masama. Atin itong pahalagahan sa kadahilanang ito ay may malaking ambag sa ating lipunan.
And that's multimedia and ICT and its importance.
We hope that you learned something new today. We will see you on our next video.
Don't forget to hit the like button,
The subscribe button,
and comment what do you want to see on our channel next time.
okay, swipe. Hi, I am back. Hi, I'm. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ay, ayaw magpatakawan ni Rocky.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.